Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.4 question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. Right? Here we shall find number 1 is 3 by 7. The reciprocal reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Here you see that numerator is greater than denominator, therefore it is an improper fraction. It is an improper fraction. Improper fraction. Right? Now, question number 2 is 5 by 8. Question number 2 is 5 by 8. The reciprocal of 5 by 8, the reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. 8 by 5. Here you see the numerator is greater than the denominator, therefore it is an improper fraction. It is an improper fraction. Improper. It is an improper fraction. It is an improper fraction. Now question number 3 is 9 by 7. 9 by 7. The reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. Here you see the numerator is less than the denominator, therefore it is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. Proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. Now question number 4 is 6 by 5. The reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Here also you see that the numerator is less than the denominator, therefore it is a proper fraction. Therefore it is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 12 by 7. In question number 5 it is 12 by 7. Therefore the reciprocal of 12 by 7, reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 by 12. Is 7 by 12. Here you see that the numerator is less than the denominator, therefore it is a proper fraction. Therefore it is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. Right? Now question number 6 is question number 6. The reciprocal of 1 by 8. The reciprocal the reciprocal the reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1, 8 by 1, that is equal to 8. Here you see that 8 is a whole number, right? Here 8 is a whole number. 8 is a whole number. Right? Now question number 7 is question number 7. In question 7 it is 1 by 11. Therefore the reciprocal the reciprocal of 1 by 11 is 11 by 1, and that is equal to 11, right? And that is also a whole number, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.